When you look at the second quarter, that's where we expect pressure, because that's when the conflict began. There was an adjustment to prices, and therefore the expectation is that growth will likely moderate. And when you look at some of the leading indicators that you can see in the exhibit, for instance, in agriculture, performance is slightly mixed, and on the debt side, we still see pressure with public debt at around 70% of GDP.
And from July this month, the last date of this month, Standard Bank begins to process RMB through SIPs. For clients trading with China, it translates to faster renminbi payments, improved visibility and traceability,